Hello, welcome back with a new drawing. You can see on drawing the 3D model on the display. So there's a simple drawing. There's a length is 90 and width is 50 and height is total 50. So step by step process we can start. First of all, choose the sketch, select the plane. OK. We are going with the line command. So horizontal line length is the 50 as per drawing, angle is 0. Now we are going with the offset curve. The offset is opposite direction. There's a 90 mm. Again with going with the line command, create the rectangle. Okay, and now we are going to extrude. The first of extrude we are going to do distance is 20 mm. Put the value and apply. You can see our solid rectangle is ready. Now there is a bottom side one slot available, 5 by 20 mm. So first of all, select the sketch, select the plane. OK. Now create the rectangle, select the midpoint, width is 20 and the length is 5, so we put the 10. Now select the trim command and cut the unwanted line. Now there's a cut is the through on the back side, so we are going to extrude. Distance is 90 mm and balloon is subtract, so there's a distance minus 90 mm and apply. You can see the result. We have made a slot the back side of the job and hide the unwanted line. Now there's another slot. There's a front side. There's a 40 by 10 mm rectangle. Select the sketch, select the plane, we are going with the rectangle. Choose the center point rectangle and the length is there's a 40 as per drawing. And the height is 10, but we put the value 20. Yeah, and the slot is we have to subtract the back side of 20, so we are going with the extrude command. Select the sketch line, distance value is minus 20. You can see on the drawing. And hide the unwanted line. You can see the result. Now there's a half circle. The cut the through on the from the top side. The radius is 10. So again we are going to sketch, select the plane, select the circle command and create the circle with diameter of 20. Finish sketch, and we are going to extrude, and we make a subtract, and you can see the result. Now we are going with the upside. There's another one part, the combined part. So there's a length is 60 and width is 18, and the height is 20 minus 50, so height is 30. So we are going with the sketch, select the plane on the top side, OK. We are going the rectangle with the center point. The width is 60 and the height is 18. So we put the double value of 36. You can see the sketch on the top side of sketch on the plane. Now trim the unwanted line. Now we are going to extrude. You can see the extrude as per the 30 mm because 50 minus 20, so 30 value. So extrude the 30 on the top side, and here the none, and apply. You can see the result, and hide the unwanted line. Now again we create the slot. So sketch, select the plane on the front side, we are going with line command. So put the center line, and now the offset command we are use. So there's a 10, so systematic offset, so both side 10, and so total 20. You can see on the job. Now we are again create the line of the bottom side. For the reference, again we are going to offset and the 15 mm. You can see up to 15 mm. There's a taper is we have to create. So we make a trim. Again we create the line, create the taper for the cut side. Sometimes it's very difficult to pick a point, so you can zoom and pick a point. Now trim the unwanted line. Now trim the unwanted line. We have to delete the relationship between the offset, so you can see, but sometimes it's very, so we are going to hide the bottom reference line. It's also okay then, no problem then. So we make a line to make join the two taper line. Again going with the line and create the triangle, the one side and the same on another side. So you can see we are going to use the extrude command, but first of all we have to trim the unwanted line, like that both side. Now we are going to extrude and use the subtract command. Select the -30, the value, and select the object, and you can see the result. Our taper slot is ready, the both side. Now there is a hole on the center of the top side of job, so we are going to sketch command, select the plane, select the reference line for the pick the circle. Now select the circle, the diameter of 18 as per drawing. Now trim the unwanted line on the outer side of circle and inside of circle. Now we are going to choose the extrude command. Select the body and you can see the result. Hide the unwanted line. Now our job is ready. You can see our 3D model is ready. Guys, it's very simple to draw step by step. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share, subscribe, like the video, and is any difficult, please comment for this video. Thank you.